Good morning, Standard 5 children. Today we are going to start our next topic, inserting text in a slide, given in page number 72. Okay, so open your book at page number 72. Okay, so now the topic is inserting text in a slide. Okay, so how to insert text? This is our PowerPoint program screen. Okay, so I'm going to explain you how to insert text. You see there is no placeholder. Okay, placeholder for typing text. So if you don't have placeholder in your slide, okay, so you go to the insert tab and click on text box. Okay, so this is your pointer for making a text box. Okay, so drag your mouse in this slide. Okay, text box. So you can see cursor is blinking. So start typing here. Solar system. Okay, this is the text. Now here you can do formatting. You have learned in previous chapters how to format text. You can change its color. Okay, color, make it bold, make it size big, and okay, done. Okay, so text, you can insert a text box using the insert tab. Understood, no? Go to the insert tab. Again I'm showing you, this is your insert tab. Clear? And here this is text box option. Click here. This is the pointer which creates text box. Drag your mouse wherever you want to insert the text. Okay, done. And then type R. Okay, suppose like this. So this is the way to insert text in the text box. And after typing text, you can format the text. Choose color whichever you want. Okay, make the size big. Okay, so this is how to insert the text box given in your page number 72, 73. 3 steps are given there. Click on the insert tab. Then second step, click on the text box from the text group. Okay, insert. This is text box, not book. Okay, so now click on text box from the text group. Here you see this is text box option of the text group. Clear? Then drag the mouse. I already explained you. Drag the mouse pointer on the slide where you want to add the text. So text box appears. Then you get there cursor, blinking cursor. Okay, for typing text. Then start typing text. Okay, so it's very simple. Text box expands automatically. Okay, text box expands automatically. Here you see. Okay, so it expands. Clear? Automatically. You need not to do anything. Press the backspace key. Get reduced also. Shrinks. Automatically expands automatically. Okay. So this is your inserting text box. Clear? Now editing. We can do changes in the text box. Okay, what sort of changes? Here you see. Formatting, I already told you how to format. Okay, now select text. Then alignment. Okay, next topic given, page number 74, aligning text. Okay, now we are going to align the text. Aligning text refers to positioning the text within the edges of the text placeholder. Okay, means if you choose the left alignment, you have already learned this in MS Word Pro software chapter. Okay, the left alignment, this is center alignment, this is right alignment, and when you click on justify, it comes here. Okay, so these are 4 alignments which can arrange text, give the position of text inside the placeholder. Okay, where you want to position the text. Clear? So 4 buttons are there. According to your requirement, you can set it. Okay. Okay. Here, this one also. By default, you get left aligned. Okay, left aligned text. This is center, and this is right. So center alignment. Okay. Now text direction. This is text direction button. Text direction. Okay. Direction can be changed. By default, you get horizontal. Okay. Whenever you type text in the placeholder, no. So by default, you get the horizontal text direction. Okay. But it can be changed. Rotate all text 90 degree if you choose this one. So it comes like this. Okay. And if you choose this one, sorry, rotate all text 270 degree, so it goes to this direction, our earth. And if you choose stacked, so it comes like this. Okay. Can expand text box, no? Okay, so if you now select it and choose the option stacked, so it comes this way, solar system. Okay, so these are options. Clear? For the text direction. Okay, so 4 types of text directions are there. You have to remember: horizontal, rotate all text 90 degree, rotate all text 270 degree, and stacked. Okay, so whichever suits for your presentation, or you can choose any one from there. Okay, understood? Clear? Now next topic is given: inserting slides. Inserting slides. So this is very simple. You can insert slide with using the home tab, new slide option. Okay, these are 9 layouts. So whichever layout suits to you, okay, you can choose. So I'm choosing here blank one. Okay. 9 slides layout are there: title slide, title and content, section header, to content, comparison, title only, blank, content with caption, then picture with caption. Okay, 9 are there. So anyone you can choose from here. I am choosing blank. Okay. So this is my second slide, first slide, second slide. Okay. Now, because I chosen here blank, no, so it's not showing me anything. Okay, everything I have to select from the insert tab. If I have to add picture in this slide, so I have to select from the group. Okay, but instead of this, if I would have chosen like this, new slide and title and content layout, so you can see here. Okay, contains. So you can see here now 6 icons are of different objects. This is for table, this is for chart, smart art, picture, clip art and video. Okay, so whichever you want to insert in the slide, no, choose that one. Suppose you want to add a video. Okay, so click on this. So where is your video? Suppose this one, sample video. Insert. Okay, insert, select and insert. Okay, so here you see not working. So video will get start from here. This is play button. Okay, no need to click here, you have to click on play button here. Okay, so video can be started. So whichever object you want, if you want video in your presentation, so video can be inserted. Okay, and again I am taking a new slide, title and content. Okay, now if you want picture here, okay, so it will take you to your picture folder. Okay, wherever your pictures are stored, no. So I have these pictures. Suppose this is Earth, planet Earth, mother planet. Insert, so picture appeared. Okay, this is resizing handle. Picture can be resized. Okay, so whichever object you want to insert in your slide, okay, so that can be inserted. In third slide we have added video. Okay, and in fourth slide we have added here picture. Okay, so this is quite simple. Inserting clip art. Clip art also can be inserted same way. Okay, now you see in second slide I have selected blank one. Okay, now in this blank slide, if you are going to insert pictures, so you have to follow these steps. Go to the insert tab, click picture, select picture, click on insert tab. Okay, and picture is inserted in the slide. This is my second slide. Okay, so picture can be resized. You can make it small. If you want more picture here, no, so this way you can do. Okay, picture can be resized and can be moved. Two-headed arrow pointer will resize the picture. Okay, see this one, resize the picture, and four-headed arrow can move picture from one place to another. Okay, four-headed arrow can move picture. Okay, then next, if you want to insert clip art, so insert tab gives you option of clip art. Okay, what type of picture you want, so this is clip art pan, search pan, and here is the search for box. Okay, computer, it has come with a computer option, but it can be changed. Suppose I'm typing a flower. Okay, then click on go button or press enter key. Okay, so it shows here flowers, clip art. So this one. Okay, so this is clip art. Clip art can be inserted using the insert tab. Okay. Now in next children, in next video I'll explain you about how to insert the word art and shapes. Okay, today we have done inserting the text inside a slide. Okay, this topic we have done. How to edit text inside placeholder, then how to align text, how to change the text direction. Okay, this we have done, and we have done inserting slides. Okay, using the slide layouts. Okay, and we have done how to add a video and a picture, okay, and clip art also. So these topics we have done today. Do practice if you have computer at home, so do practice of all these, okay, and whichever homework you are given, do that. Okay, bye.